a different style vlog. Outdoor Jamaican style cooking, roasting breadfruit, cooking curry chicken back, an exciting water sport, and glass bottom boat ride. And to top it all off, Jamaican style fruits, and how your girl ate them all off. Stay tuned. Smithville Clarendon. This vlog was done during a trip that I made to Jamaica for a few days. Welcome to my home, or my mom's home, or our home, and I do hope you will enjoy this vlog. There are separate parts to it, so please watch it to the end. So of course your girl decided that I have a cooking channel, so I wanted to do some outdoor Jamaican style cooking. So we decided on getting a family member, a cousin, to set some wood fire and some coal fire to make roast breadfruit on the wood fire and some curry chicken back on the coal stove. They seasoned the meat for me, so Shell's time didn't have to do no seasoning. I just did most of the vlogging and I prepped the curry chicken back. Here's my cousin turning his breadfruit, roasting them on wood fire. And listen, there's nothing to me like outdoor cooking. I love outdoor cooking. It is what a lot of Jamaicans grew up on. Unless you were rich, we loved the food outdoor because it just had a different flavor and taste. There goes one of my uncle fanning the coal fire for me. Yes, and family members stepping out, nephew, big brother, little sister, nephew, my daughter. We went for a wedding and we made use of the time to have some family time together. So make sure you watch the video to the end to see all and everything that we do. A brother is missing, and also the sister that got married aren't included in this video. And of course we were ready for outdoor cooking, and the sky started to make its face up. It started to look cloudy, so I was worried for a bit, like the fires won't make it outside if it starts to rain. And listen, I'm showing you my mother's property. It is so fruitful. Banana, ackee, June plum, lime, lemon, everything that you can think of. Coconut. There's my brother from Atlanta, my older brother, bigging up my YouTube fam. And of course you're gonna see my little feisty mom walk out telling me to take the camera off of her. Very feisty, but anyway, Miss Joy, big up yourself. Love you, love you, love your mommy. Put her in the vlog, show up her face in there. She said, take the camera off me. I had to do a voiceover because there was music playing in the background and I don't want any copyright hits, so I did a voiceover. Now onto cooking my curried chicken back. Here I'm showing you a pot of chicken back seasoned, and my cousin is showing some avocado. My uncle added the pot and we added garlic, ginger, and a little curry powder in it, and we'll be pouring in the curry chicken back. Cover it and leave it there to steam and to cook. You will see me from time to time stirring. But listen, outdoor cooking, I love it. And when I go to Jamaica, I love to cook outdoor and also to eat food that is cooked outdoor. It has a different flavor and taste, and that is one of the reasons why I love it. And I can't forget where I came from. This is where I came from, where we had to look wood. We had to purchase coal. We never owned a gas stove because we grew up very poor, still poor, but God has blessed us a little more over the years, where we're able to now have a kitchen inside with a gas stove. So here's your girl Shell's time stirring up our curry chicken back to make sure nothing sticks in the pot. Persons were passing and already smelling the fragrance, the aroma from my curried chicken back. Yes, and I know some of them gonna turn up later when the pot done cook. There goes my nephew from the UK. Big up yourself, Zidane. He just walked across near to the breadfruit and picked guinea from the property and just eat it like that. Here are all the breadfruits done roasted, and the curry chicken back is almost done. I'm about to show you the gravy. I use a little cornstarch in this to make the gravy, and the gravy itself was lit because listen, with roast breadfruit you need lots of gravy or it will choke you. Worse, it's yellow heart. Showing you my gravy. It no watery. Gravy is gravy around here. Shells time all the way. Now here's one of my uncle peeling the breadfruit. A lot of people do it different where they scrape the black off the breadfruit and consume the skin because the skin can be eaten, but I prefer to do it this way. Yes, breadfruit skin can be eaten and I've eaten it before, but we just wanted the skin to be peeled off. A lot of persons wet the outside and then they scrape it to make it softer and to get the black off, which is what the smoke caused and allowed this to roast, but we wanted it different. One of my other sister from England, you will not see her in the cooking vlog, but you will see her in another vlog, which was an excursion vlog that we do. Please remember to watch the video, like and drop a comment. Let me know if you're watching this from Jamaica, where you're from. If you're watching this from any foreign country and you're Jamaican or of Jamaican heritage, drop in the comments and let me know where you're from. Here your girl reached inside the kitchen and I cut open the breadfruit in half. And then I will be removing the heart or the middle of the breadfruit, and then I'll just add it to the dish and slice it because it's my business and I wanted to. And then my nephew told me to make sure he got a lot of curry chicken back, and he'll be coming back for more look at the breadfruit. And then your girl just added curried chicken with lots of gravy on this and some avocado on the side. I hope you guys do enjoy this vlog. It's a little different with a little Jamaican style cooking and some excursions that we went on. I do hope that you will enjoy the video. I wanted to take you along to show you how I roll when I go to my island, Jamaica, to visit my family. Make sure you watch the video to the end. On to the next. On to an excursion. So when I visit Jamaica on a short trip, quick trip, Ocho Rios is my favorite place to go. Me and my kids and my family. So I'm just giving you a little view of Ocho Rios, Ocho Rios, as the Americans call it, Ocho Rios. And we finally arrived at Turtle Beach Towers. It's one of the bombest, one of the best beach in Ocho Rios for me. My family, my kids love Turtle Beach Towers. So we arrived, family, friends, all walking on real white sand beach. Yes, Jamaica, real white sand beach. Once we got the elderly persons onto the compound, we rented beach chairs and it was 700 Jamaican dollars to rent one. We got 4 because 4 persons requested them. Once we had them all settled in, we all decided what we were gonna do. My nephew from London, my niece from London, my sister from London, we're all settling in. The elderly, my other big sister from London, and we're about ready to go on our first excursion on the beach once they are settled. Here's my daughter, my niece, and my nephews about to get on a ski ride where they tug you. Listen, this is my daughter, my niece, and myself. It was scary at first, but then I started to get used to it. And one thing, the bed itself needed more air, so the ride was a little bit floppy. But listen, this was so much fun. And my camera is turned the other way, or my video is turned not the original way, hence the reason why you're seeing the short picture. However, if you enlarge your video, you will get to see the full screen. This was over 20 minutes. It was lit. I really enjoyed it. Scary but fun. So after the girls, my two nephews, they were also as brave as us. They went out on this ride too. They had mad fun. My daughter got the opportunity to go on a boat and to vlog them. So their ride video was a little different from ours, but they did enjoy it. It was mad fun. This is how we love to have fun. Even if it's for a 2-day trip, always try to find some time to fit in for your mental well-being, your mental health. Look at this, way out on the sea. This was mad fun. Would I do this again? Of course I would. Then once we were done and we settled, we decided to do the glass bottom boat. And for that ride, the tug ride on the sea, that one was $2.5 per person. Here I had to block out all the music. That's one of my cousins getting himself on with Valiant new song, or Valiant, whatever you call him. We did the glass bottom boat. That's my sister and her daughter from the UK, and my daughter, and I was the one vlogging. So we went way out to sea and we saw under the sea on a glass bottom boat. This was also fun. My nephews and them cousins having fun. This was about fun and family. And yes, I showed you a little bit of what underneath the glass bottom boat looked like. We saw like lots of shells, different articles that were under there. This too was fun. Not all my family members went on this. It was peer dancing. It was a vibe. It was good. It was like clean music and we were having fun. Don't judge us, okay? Yeah, my nephew from the UK getting himself on. He had mad fun. And then of course the sisters and the nephews again. Yeah, he had pure fun, dancing all the way. I'm so sorry my trip was so short because there was so much more that I really wanted to do. I wish I had more time. I wanted to go to YS Falls, which is, anytime I touch about Jamaica, that's where I want to go. But I love Ocho Rios and I've always done Dunn's River Fall, all them places. I didn't want to do that this time. And there goes Shelly, yes, trying to get her thing on too. My cousin showing me how to dance and just having fun. This was pure vibe. And of course I like made the video a little faster. Yes, I had fun. And here I am just trying to be happy and having a little fun, clean fun with my family. Love you guys, and I hope you watch this video to the end. And then once all that was done, it was almost time to get back home. Here I'm showing you the choppy seas, how far out we went. We went around the Moon Palace, and you know right where Moon Palace is, they have the dolphins in a little area that we stopped right here, and we saw the dolphins flipping up, flopping up. Dolphin Cove is another special place or special spot that I love to go to. Listen, my island is beautiful. I love my island. All you need is money when you go. I don't like to stay home. I love to be out and about and enjoying what I'm not able to enjoy in America. I do hope when you watch this video, if you make it this far, this will give you or soothe you, give you a different feeling from the regular cooking vlogs, which I did add cooking in it, but I showed you a little bit of what we did as a family. And listen, I can't wait to go on another excursion such as this. My daughter also has a channel. In 2019 we did something similar like this, and we vlogged the whole thing. It's also on YouTube. We had mad fun. Same set of family, same set of crazy people, just having fun. Yes, I'll probably share it on my community page so you see it. In 2019, when my sister from London came and her kids, we had mad crazy fun. Stay tuned on to the next. So a day before I came, I had to get some Jamaican fruits, and of course I did the video. I spoke while I was doing this, but there was so much laughter and chatting in the background, I had to do a voiceover. Jamaican fruits. Here goes my favorite. One of my favorite fruits to consume in Jamaica is jackfruit. Listen, this was lit, this was sweet. Look at the watermelon with seeds, non-GMO, and I found 2 Neesberry in Maple, and of course one got crushed. Here I have some mangoes. Julie and Millie are 2 of them. My nephew was showing me. I have no idea what the rest are. Then I had some OTET apples, which this is how Jamaican apple grows. Yes, and sometimes they are sweet, sometimes they are not. But I wanted to show you some fruits, and I also sat and I ate some of them. On top of that, I bought some really sugarloaf pineapple. Listen, this pineapple, when you eat it, you can taste the natural, what I would say, the natural, it just has a more natural taste than the fruits that we get overseas, naturally grown, fermented and all. And of course I got some guavas, green and yellow, and some guineas. So your girl will be consuming some of these fruits. I can't consume all, and you will see. Please continue to watch this video. It is refreshing, relaxing. You can chill, put this on your TV and watch me eat while I enjoy my little short trip to Jamaica. Some of the fruits, they can't be consumed together, like the guinea. I would not eat the guinea with all the others. So your girl found a seed, and I'm showing you this sugarloaf pineapple. Listen, this was lit. It was sweet, tasted natural, naturally grown. It was a little expensive. A bag of it was $800. Then here comes the Jamaican style apple. It wasn't that sweet, which I did state, but I had to blur it out because there was music and there was lots of chatting going on. Flies are killing me because I have sweet fruits. Now for my jackfruit, you remove the seeds, and I could have cut the top off to make it easier, and then you just remove little pulps just like soursop, and then you remove the little strip off of it, and then you eat it. Flies were like killing me, but listen, it's a vlog. Sit, relax, and enjoy. Listen, this was as sweet as the pineapple. No stain because it was well beaten, and it tasted really, really good. I miss fruits such as this or such as these in the US. The ones in the US I've seen jackfruit, but they look so hard and tainty. I would not consume it. Listen, the flies wanted to get in on some of my fruits. And then my sister came and was chatting with me, and I'm like, girl, I'm vlogging. Yes. So my jackfruit tasted really, really good. The apples were not as sweet as I expected. The pineapple, and I know the mangoes will be sweet. Watch your girl shaking her head, and I ate the jackfruit off. The gooseberry, it was not sweet either, but I wanted you to see. I did consume it, but it wasn't as sweet as I thought. I wanted to get sweet salt, but there was like none that was ready. For my mango, your girl ripping this to pieces. The sugar, the natural flavor and taste coming from it, it was refreshing. It was delicious. I enjoyed it. Listen, I took you on my trip with me, as much as I didn't do it live, but I wanted to show you how I do it when I go to Jamaica. I love to go out and experience different things and to do different things. Now, this was my day coming back home, and I had to stop to get a view. And we all know that once we pass the Harbor View roundabout, there used to be heavy flooding during storms or heavy rains. Now they have enforced this with some big rocks, and I really wanted to see what the sea looked like. This is the first opportunity I've gotten to see it, and it was real choppy and rough. I do hope you enjoy this video. I'm back home. Remember to give the video a like, and see you soon.